Hi everyone, EGO here. Last time, as I mentioned in my previous video, my car's battery was 3 years old, so it is going to give up anytime soon. But I do not have the money yet to buy a new one. A car battery has an expiration date of 2 years more or less, so mine has expired. I may need to disconnect it every time I do not use my car for a long time, but it would be a hassle to keep on disconnecting the battery using a wrench. So I bought this special battery terminal connector online. It is called a battery leakage protector. Let me demonstrate how it works. This battery leakage protector is simply a switch. You just need to rotate the valve to switch it on or off. Let's see what it looks like inside. Here, it shows the spring that holds the contact in place. And there is also a copper plate between the opposite terminals. Therefore, when the valve is turned on, the copper plate comes into contact with them. With a better understanding of what's inside, I am now assembling the switch. Now let's check this part out here. So this brass terminal here is connected to a copper plate. I just need to make sure that the screw is tight enough to maintain reliable connection. Then I did a resistance test on the switch, and it appears to have good connectivity. It's now time to install the battery leakage protector on the negative terminal of the car's battery. First, I need to remove the old battery connector. This connector is already broken, so I will need to replace it in the future. Next, I cleaned the wire strands of the negative cable. Next is to replace this ring type wire connector with a wider one. Before installing the battery leakage protector, the negative terminal was fitted with these two metal plates. I then secured the protector with a bolt and connected the cables. After that, I tested the voltage at the points before and after the switch, and it appeared to be okay. Now it's time to start the car. It's a good thing the battery is still working, but I would need to replace it soon. The battery leakage protector is only temporary, so I will be replacing it again with a regular connector when I install a brand new battery. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.